Hello everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore, and today I am sharing these cute little treat holders. I know they'll fit the small little Ghirardellis. I haven't tried the larger ones. They may fit the larger ones. These are 2 by 2, but they're perfect for little party favors, and they're really quick and easy. And so this one, I actually made this one first. I did this one for the 4th of July and I never got it posted. So this is the 4th of July one, and I really like this one. It's super cute. And then I wanted to try some of the other color combinations, so I used Balmy Blue here, the designer series paper with the Poppy Parade. And then this one is one of our new in colors, the Pretty Peacock with the Crumb Cake. And then this one I decided to do for a baby shower because I thought these would be perfect because they're really quick and easy, and you can fill it with all kinds of candy, Hershey's Kisses, or whatever you want. So this one is the Balmy Blue. Today we're going to do a Blushing Bride to go with the Sweet Baby one, so that we can have one for a girl baby shower. Alright, so let's get started with this. So you are going to need some Blushing Bride, and this piece is 7 by 4. And then you need 2 pieces to mat it with. This is our 6 by 6 designer series paper. This one is from our Subtles. I used the Brights and the new in color collection for the other ones that I shared. And you can get this 6 by 6 or any of our colored families. Alright, so also, you're going to need another piece of Blushing Bride, a piece of, this is the scrap that I cut from this, and it will cut out one of those little daisies, and then some Whisper White to cut out another daisy. And the stamp set that I used for the friend ones, this one right here, was the Above the Clouds. It just says Hi Friend. So this is the one I used. Oh, I lost my little Hi Friend off of that one. Came right off. And then for this baby one, we're using the Itty Bitty Greetings, which is this large 2 set, and we're using the Sweet Baby. It also has a congratulations, because you can use the congratulations as well for that. Alright, so let's get started scoring this. So we're going to score it on the 7-inch side at 1, 3, 4, and 6. And then we're going to score it at 1 and 3. That's it. So this is pretty easy cutting as well. We're going to cut all 4 of these corners off. And then I'm just going to fold this over first so I can round the corners. So we're going to round the corners of these. Got that one off a little bit. I'm going to trim that a hair. All right. And then we are going to cut our side flaps here. You can cut these a little bit shorter to fold in a little bit easier. And then before we go ahead and put this together, I'm going to use the 1/2-inch circle punch, and we're going to line these up, and we are going to center that just going to punch those. All right, so now we're ready to put this together. I'm going to use my fast fuse, but use your tear and tape or a strong adhesive. You can use wet glue as well, but the wet glue you're going to have to hold on to a little bit. And then I'm just going to line these up. And then we have our box. So I'll use this as the front because our little things are going backwards there. I'm going to use some snail for our, even this side would be really cute for a baby, for probably a baby boy it would be really cute. Can do that side. All right, so now we're ready to punch our daisies. And this little daisy punch, this is a medium daisy punch, and it coordinates with the daisy lane. So this is a bundle, but you can get them separately. You don't have to get them together, but this fits this one, and we do have a large daisy punch for this one as well. Okay, so let's punch a Whisper White. I'm going to do it here so I don't waste that paper. And then we're going to punch one from some Blushing Bride here. And then we're going to do this other piece, which was left over from punching, or from cutting these other pieces. This was what was left over, so you're not wasting any of that Designer Series paper. All right, so I'm going to layer these, and I'm going to use some snail here. Now we're going to just offset these, and then I'm going to use this one on top. And then I'm going to grab my bone folder, and I am going to curl these up a little. You can do these with your fingers or with your bone folder. I like them to be a little bit, some a little bit down, some a little bit up, but just do it however you like. And then I'm going to add some snail to the back here. We're going to add that one to the front. I'm going to use some of our Whisper White 1/8 inch ribbon here, and I'm just going to make a tiny bow. And I'm going to use a glue dot for this one. It's going to go in the center. These flowers are so cute. I love this daisy set. It's so cute. And then I'm going to use, this time I'm going to use the Petal Pink and Whisper White, because this goes with it, and it's really, I love this ribbon. It's one of my favorite ribbons. So I'm going to use this time for this one. And then I'm going to use our Whisper White Baker's Twine, and I always make a little loop because I don't have an extra hand. So, and then I'll put this through the loop and then pull this tight. It makes it so much easier for me to. I should loosen that up a little bit though, because I need to pull this up. There we go. And then just tie a little bow. trim your ends, and then I'm going to grab just this little piece here, and we're going to do the Sweet Baby and Memento Tuxedo Black. And I'm just cutting this by hand. I'm going to flag the end. I'm going to use another glue dot for the end of that. And we're going to put that in here. Just like that. So there you have it. Isn't it cute? I love these for baby showers. I thought that'd be super cute. And I love them all. They're all just very different. And you can use any combination, color combination. Isn't that cute? And they're really quick and easy. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. I hope you all have a blessed one, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later. Bye.